Hi friends, I just received this sign for my office bathroom. You can use it in your home, in your office, whatever you want. As you can see, it's just a nice, kind of funny display or sign. Of course, you get only the letters. We're going to install it right now. And you get two of them. Soak, enjoy, and relax. Well, this is more like for a tub. Soak. But this bathroom one rules. Wash, brush, floss, flush. So let's put it in our bathroom. Come on. Okay, so this is my office restroom. We are going to install here perfect. There you have it. Nice touch to the restroom, to the bathroom, and it will be nicer for our visitors. Thank you. Hi friends, and this other set of decals or stickers, I'm going to use it here in my bathroom.